Hey guys, Bree the Coupon Queen. Let's go couponing at Walgreens this week. There's so many amazing deals that you can do in store as well. I did previously post my online deals and curbside deals that you can do. Keep in mind, digital coupons are a one-time use. You're either gonna use it for online or you can use it for in-store. So just figure out what's gonna work best for you. I have a very easy $10 challenge that you get, or it's an $11 challenge that you guys can do this week. We're gonna be breaking things up into 2 different transactions. These are digital coupons that everybody should have, so it is definitely a deal that you can do even if you are a beginner couponing at Walgreens. I also got this digital booster for spend $35, get $7 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna show you a scenario and a transaction that I'm gonna personally be doing for that. Here's a tip before we go. Only one of my accounts, I go between 2 accounts for Walgreens, only one of my accounts has been getting digital boosters. The other account has not seen a digital booster in months. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with it. So if you are struggling with that too, if you're not getting the digital boosters, let me know in the comments. What I recommend is opening up a second account for Walgreens. You can either do it for like your husband, your mom, your sister, whoever, or what you can do is get a Google Voice phone number. It's completely free. You just like download Google Voice. I have it on an iPhone. I don't know if you can do it on an Android. I'm sure you can, but you can get a free phone number. You do have to like use the phone number though, like a little bit, you know, send a text, do whatever, every couple months or so. Otherwise you lose that phone number. So you do want to make sure that you have that, so that way you can still, you know, reset the password and anything, if it like sends you the code for verification, all that good stuff. But it might be a little bit easier to just set up an account for like a husband or your mom or your dad or something like that. That way you have 2 accounts. So whichever account has the better digital coupons and the digital boosters, you can use that account. So that's just a heads up, just a little tip for you guys, because I think that'll help a lot. Those digital boosters make it so much easier to get amazing deals. And the transaction I'm going to be doing today for it is going to be a $6 moneymaker as your final net cost, which we love moneymaker deals. If you're new to my channel, take a second, hit the red subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you as a part of my channel. This year, my big goal is to reach 100,000 on YouTube. That would just be so freaking exciting. Then they send you a plaque and everything too, just as like a big accomplishment. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown for you guys, as well as just a bunch of others, like resources and stuff to help you guys on your couponing journey. So let's head over to Walgreens, start taking advantage of some amazing deals that you guys can do this week. Okay, let's start with our $10 challenge. This is gonna be super easy. First transaction, what you're gonna wanna do is the Dove deal that actually winds up being completely free. So select products are on sale for $6 or $5. You wanna grab the $5 ones. My store is just sold out. They're also buy 2, get a $5 register reward. Clip the 5 off 2 digital coupon. So just this deal alone, you'll pay $5, get back a $5 register reward. You can grab 2 completely free. I'm gonna grab these instead because that's all that's available. So for my cost, it's gonna be $1 per bottle. Still a really great deal because these are bigger products. Next, you're gonna grab some Garnier Fruit Tea. So you can either do the hair care, you could also do the styling products and the gels. They are $3.99 on sale. Buy 2, earn a $4 register reward. You're gonna clip the 3 off 2 digital coupons. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So this is your first transaction. Again, you want to grab the Dove that is the $5 version, so that way this is free. After all your coupons and everything come off, you're going to pay $9.98 plus taxes out of pocket, but then you're going to earn back a $5 register reward and a $4 register reward that we're going to roll into our second transaction. So let's take a look at those deals. Then we're gonna grab the Dove body wash deal. This is an incredible deal. They're on sale for $7 each this week. Buy 2, earn a $3 register reward. So grab any 2 that you want, clip the $8 off 2 digital coupon. That is such a high value digital coupon. So then your final cost, if you're just doing this deal alone, you'll pay $6 out of pocket, earn back a $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $3 for 2 or $1.50 a piece. Next, we're grabbing our free oral care this week. So the Colgate is buy 2, get a $4 register reward. You want to look for the products that are $4. Grab 1 of the toothpaste, clip the $2 off 1 digital coupon. Next, you want to grab one of the Colgate toothbrushes. That's $4. My store is sold out. There's only 2 options for some reason. So I'm going to grab one of the $5 options. So for me, it's going to be $1 for 2. But if you grab the ones that are $4 each, click the other $2 off one digital coupon, you'll wind up paying $4, getting back $4, makes these also completely free. That's 4 freebies in this challenge. So let's go over the totals and the transactions. So this is your second transaction. Hand these products to the cashier, type in your phone number. They're gonna scan the products, then hand them both register rewards you got from your first transaction. They're gonna scan those as well, then they'll hit total. After the $9 in register rewards, plus all the digital coupons come off, you're gonna wind up paying $1 plus taxes out of pocket. So it winds up being a $10.98 plus taxes challenge, not $10, but still an amazing deal to grab all of these different products. Here's an option you can do if you have this digital booster like I do. For spend $35, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Instead of breaking it up into 2 transactions, I'm gonna do all of this in 1 transaction because you do have to have $35 worth of product value in a single transaction to be able to use that digital booster. So again, pretend these are the $5 versions and pretend this is the $4 version. Total for everything is $39.98. You have $20 worth of digital coupons. So you'll pay $19.98 out of pocket. You can pay with up to $4 in Walgreens cash, but that's it, no more. You cannot use $5 in Walgreens cash. If you have any manufacturer register rewards from previous weeks, you can definitely use those as well. But assuming you have no rewards to use, you'll pay the $19.98 plus taxes. Then you're gonna earn back a $4 register reward, a $3 register reward, a $5 register reward for the Dove hair care, $4 register reward for the Colgate, and $7 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster. Makes your final net cost completely free and a $6.02 moneymaker, which is an amazing deal, of course. Anytime we have moneymakers, we always love that. If you enjoy these types of deals and digital coupon deals and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, check and make sure that you click that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. It's completely free to do so, and it'll help me reach my 100,000 subscriber goal that I've been reaching for a couple years. Next, we have an amazing deal on Pampers. This deal comes around at least twice a month, so you should literally never be paying full price for diapers. You're gonna grab either the Pampers Swaddlers, you can grab 2 of the Cruisers, you could grab 2 of the Baby Dry, doesn't matter, just grab 2 of the same type. They are 2 for $21 this week in store, and buy 2, get a $4 register reward. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for each type of product, so that's why you wanna grab 2 of the same. You'll pay $18, earn back a $4 register reward, makes them $14 for 2 bags or $7 a piece, which is 30% cheaper than Walmart. We love any type of savings. Next, we're saving almost 50% on large Gain laundry products. So they're $9.99. This is an in-store only deal as well. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. Grab a large Gain liquid. It doesn't matter what scent. We have a $2 digital coupon. Next, you can grab the large Gain Flings. My store is out. There is a $2 digital coupon for that, but instead, I'm gonna grab the large Gain fabric softener over here and clip the separate $2 digital coupon for this one. So these are the 2 that I'm grabbing. Total is $19.98. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $15.98, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your final cost $10.98 for 2 of them or $5.49 a piece. 100% a stock-up price, so definitely grab these if you like Gain. Let's take a look at all the clearance. I feel like Walgreens does a really good job of having quite a bit of clearance. Looks like a lot of their summer and spring toys and like outdoor things, their bubbles are on clearance, which is really nice. They should be clearancing even more. So if some of these, Bryson, he just pushed me. If some of these aren't at a price point that you want yet, definitely just keep an eye on it. Some of these are gonna be pretty good deals. Could always be good for like birthdays or something coming up. It can also be good for Christmas, which is gonna come before we know it, so definitely take a look at this aisle. All right, we're back home from Walgreens. I did have a couple issues at checkout. I had to put my son to sleep. He's so sick, poor thing. We had to go to Walgreens to pick up his medication because I had to bring him back to the doctor. He's literally been sick for like 2 weeks. I don't know what the heck type of virus or bacteria or whatever is going on, but it's literally morphed into like so many different things. So it started with like a small cough, but it wasn't really like a wet cough. It's kind of a dry cough. Then it went to, he had pink eye, like 0 to 1,000 pink eye that developed within like an hour this weekend. Then it went to the other eye, obviously. Then he had a fever. Now he's like draining so much. So then he's like wiping it everywhere. So I brought him back to the doctor. He has a double ear infection now. So they're sending more medication. I'm just like, oh, this poor thing. Like it's just so stressful because this is the first fever he's had too since he's been born, like 14 months, no fever. So I've never dealt with a fever. So I'm like, okay, it's only been like max 99.8. So it's not like a crazy fever, but I'm like, what if it spikes when he's sleeping? Like, how am I going to know that? Do I need to check on him every hour? Like all those first time mom thoughts going through my head. So it's definitely been very stressful past 2 weeks. So fingers crossed. They sent a new prescription and they did like a virus swab or something that they're going to send for a panel. So keep him in your prayers. Hopefully he gets better soon. I feel so bad. He's been like crying and sad and just wanting like all the baby cuddles. So I've definitely been enjoying the cuddle part. But anyway, that's why we are doing this ending of the video at home. So I do want to share with you guys what the heck happened at checkout. It was very frustrating. Haven't had a frustrating checkout like this at Walgreens in a while, but I always like to give you guys a heads up so you know exactly what to expect. The Dove Hair 5 off 2 digital coupon would not come off to save my life. We tried it twice. I had the coupon clipped. Then when I went to check out, it wasn't clipped. I re-clipped it. They redid it. I checked it again. It wasn't clipped again. So I think the system is just having like one of those days where it's just all wonky. So heads up on that. Then he tried to so we like voided this transaction like 100 times. Then he tried just the Dove deal to see if maybe something else was causing it to not come off. We tried different scents, the whole 9 yards. It would not come off at all, period. So he's like, you'll have to call customer service. There's nothing I can do. So that was a bummer. Then 2 of my register rewards did not print. I'm trying to remember what 2 they were as well. 5 off 2, or the $5 register reward printed. So that was for the Dove hair. Then a $4 register reward printed for the Colgate. The $3 for the Dove body wash did not print, and whatever the other $4 one that I can't think of, for the Garnier. So those didn't print. So I'm like, what the heck? I was gonna roll that into my second transaction, obviously, or like, because I was doing the diaper deal. So then that threw that off. So he wound up giving me Walgreens cash anyway. Needless to say, my out-of-pocket is a little bit higher than I wanted it to be, but still got some really good deals. So I want to share with you guys my receipt. So definitely heads up on that Dove deal. Maybe wait. I haven't like watched other people's videos to see if they're having issues with it. Maybe the $5 ones are working fine. I don't know. Let us know in the comments so that way everybody can hopefully have a stress-free haul when they go to Walgreens. And it's just weird that like some of the register rewards were printing, others were not. One good thing though, 2 paper boosters printed for me. One was like a spend 30 get 5 and one was a spend 35 get 7. So that was really freaking cool because you can stack a paper booster with a digital booster so you can get double the Walgreens cash back, and that's awesome. So I'll definitely be using those. I'm gonna wait until next week, but yeah, stay tuned. I'll be using those next week. Okay, so this was my first transaction that I was using the digital booster for. Everything rang in. Here's everything. So these are, what's that? Okay, that's 8, okay. These are all the digital coupons that came off. So this is for the Dove, $3 off, 2 is for the Garnier Fructis, $2 and $2 for the Colgate. That's it. The rest are register rewards that I earned from last week that I rolled to lower my out-of-pocket cost. So my out-of-pocket should have been minus $5. So it should have been like, what, $5.98? I can't do that math in my head. Like $5.98 plus taxes. So obviously a significant increase. So I paid $14.36. So I'm going to be adding all of this into my digital budget spreadsheet in just a second so we can figure out what my cash cost, net cost, and percentage saved is. Super important. Please make sure you guys are tracking your spending. That is the only way to know how much you're saving, what percentage you're saving, and that way you can transfer that towards your financial goals and put that in your high yield savings account. So please make sure you're tracking your spending. That is probably one of the top 3 mistakes I see so many people making, is they're not tracking what they're spending. Then I earned back the $7.42 in Walgreens cash from that digital booster. And then I did the diaper deal. This one I did on a separate account because I had already used the digital coupon for that on my account. So I did not have any Walgreens cash or anything on this account to be able to use. Those register rewards didn't print. I was gonna roll all of that to keep this out of pocket super low, but I was only able to roll 2 of the 4 register rewards. So I paid $9 plus taxes out of pocket. I mean, it's still obviously an amazing deal because as far as cash cost is concerned, I'm paying $4.50 out of pocket per bag. So still way better than obviously going to Walmart and paying full price, but it should have been lower than that. And then I did earn back the register reward on this one did print. So I did not have any issues with that. So that was good. But yeah, heads up on that Dove deal. Very frustrating. If you guys have any questions or anything. So yeah, not sure what happened with that Dove deal. Let's head over to my computer real quick. We're gonna enter in all the values. It literally takes me 30 seconds so we can figure out our cash costs, our net costs, and I can show you how to use my digital budget spreadsheet. All right, this is my digital budget spreadsheet for the month of July. If you want to use my digital budget spreadsheet, all the formulas and everything are in here for you. I'll link it below in the description box or in the tagged products, or you guys can just go to this website and you'll be able to get it downloaded. It also comes with the monthly budget planner, so you know exactly where your money's going and you can allocate all the income coming in and making sure that you set it for your essentials, your wants, your debt payment, etc. So let's do this 2 transactions. So I always put the date, of course, for when I went couponing. Then from the drop down, you're gonna select the store. Now retail price, I get asked this a lot, it's the sale prices of all the products. So for example, the Garnier is part of the first transaction I did. They were $3.99 on sale. So we're adding $3.99 plus $3.99. The Dove is 7 plus 7. That's what we're adding up is the sale prices. So in total, we were at $41.98. Out of pocket cost, how much did you swipe your credit card or debit card for? This one, including taxes, I paid $14.36. Rewards that I used was 7 and 9 is 16. No gift cards at Walgreens. I earned back $23 in rewards, or I'm sorry, that's in cashback. I earned back $23 in rewards. So our net cost for this transaction was $7.36, which saved us 65%. Love that. And then the next transaction, I just did the diaper deal. I paid $9 out of pocket. Rewards I used was 5 and 4 was 9. No gift cards, no cash back. And then rewards earned on this one was a $4 register reward. So this is also going to update my average percentage saved for the entire month. We still have a week and a half left of July and I've already saved $525.40, grabbing all the different products that we actually use. Obviously the diapers, the laundry products, paper products, feminine care, like so many great things. So I highly recommend making sure that you are stacking your deals, using a breakdown, and tracking your spending. Those are like the top 3 things that you need to do, and you can have the same exact results like this. That's what I teach you guys step by step in my Journey to Savings program. So if you're really struggling with it, you're like, how the heck is she finding all these deals? How is she being able to save that much money? That'll be in my Journey to Savings program, so I'll link that in the products below as well. Then you also wanna make sure that you're keeping an eye on this over here. How much is left in my budget? I have $28.20 that I can spend out of pocket left for the entire month to make sure I don't blow my budget. I set $150. That is very important. Do not ignore this. The whole point of a budget is to stick to your budget. So do not let anything make you go over your budget. This is very, very important. So I've got to make sure that I'm watching my out of pocket for the next couple hauls to make sure that this doesn't go over. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.